Hey guys, today we are making what might actually be the most satisfying noodle bowl you will ever have. We are talking creamy peanut noodles paired with velvety juicy chicken, super crunchy vegetables, a good drizzle of homemade chili oil, and honestly, just a ridiculous amount of flavor packed into every single bite. So, let's just get straight into it. To start, we are going to velvet our chicken to make it restaurant quality. In a medium-sized bowl, we are gonna add a teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cornstarch, a teaspoon of light soy sauce, and 20 milliliters of water. Then we are gonna whisk everything together until it's nicely combined and set that aside. Next, we are gonna take 250 grams of chicken breast and cut it into thin slices about 1/8 of an inch thick. We will cut it against the grain, which shorten the muscle fibers and makes it way easier to bite into. Now, you might be wondering what velveting actually is. It is a technique used in Asian restaurants to keep the chicken super tender, juicy, and silky instead of dry and chewy. The key here is the baking soda that we added, which slightly changes the pH of the chicken to relax the surface proteins. And that's what helps it retain moisture and gives it that incredibly soft texture. Once the chicken is cut, we are gonna add it straight into the bowl and toss everything really well so every single piece gets evenly coated. Then we are gonna transfer it into the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes. While that marinates, let's prep our vegetables. We are gonna start by cutting 80 grams of carrots into thin julienne strips about 3 inches long. Once cut, submerge them in cold water so they stay crisp and don't dry out. After that, we are gonna cut 80 grams of yellow bell pepper in 3 inches long julienne as well. And 80 grams of cucumber the same way. Next, we are gonna thinly slice about 40 grams of scallions. Here is a quick pro tip for you guys. Never use the sharp blade of your knife to scrape or gather your chopped veggies because it dulls the edge way faster than you think. Instead, always use the back of the knife to keep your blade sharper for longer. You can see this is what I do. Next, we are gonna thinly slice Fresno chili about 10 pieces. Then finish our prep by peeling and finally grating 15 grams each of fresh garlic and ginger. Now we are gonna move over to the stove and add 5 grams of sesame seeds to a small pot and toast them over medium-high heat while moving them constantly for about 4 to 5 minutes until fragrant. And then transfer them to a small container. Right after that, we are gonna add 30 grams of raw peanuts to the same pot and toast them for 8 to 10 minutes also while moving and tossing until golden and crunchy. Then transfer them to a container and let them cool down completely. Once they have cooled down, we are gonna crush them lightly in a mortar and pestle and keep them aside for later. Next, we are gonna heat a large pot with enough water and bring it to a hard boil. Once it reaches a hard boil, we are gonna kill the heat entirely and then add 250 grams of rice stick noodles. We are gonna let them sit for just a minute, then gently push them down so they are fully submerged and leave them to soak for around 10 minutes. After those 10 minutes are up, we are gonna take one noodle out to check it. It should still have a very slight chew since we are gonna cook it again in the sauce later. Then we are gonna strain the noodles, drizzle a little sesame oil over them, and toss them gently to prevent them from sticking. Now we are gonna heat a wok on high heat and add 15 milliliters of sesame oil. Once the wok is smoking hot, we are gonna drop the marinated chicken right in and cook for about 5 minutes. We will keep moving and tossing those pieces so they all cook evenly. Once they are crispy and have that beautiful caramelized color on the edges while staying juicy inside, we are gonna remove it from the wok and set aside. Then in that exact same wok, we are gonna add another 20 milliliters of sesame oil along with a grated ginger, garlic, and sliced scallions. And stir fry everything over high heat for about 1 to 1.5 minutes until it smells insanely aromatic. Then we are gonna add 500 milliliters of chicken stock, 30 milliliters of light soy sauce, 15 milliliters of rice vinegar, 20 grams of honey, 90 grams of peanut butter, and 150 milliliters of coconut milk. Then give everything a really good stir and bring it to a boil. Once it starts simmering, we are gonna add 10 milliliters of dark soy sauce for color and depth, and then let the sauce cook down until it thickens slightly and coats the back of a spoon. Now we are gonna give it a quick taste to adjust the seasoning. Then drop the noodles straight into the sauce and cook them for about 2 more minutes, tossing everything continuously until every single strand is glossy and beautifully coated. Now it's time to put everything together. We are gonna add a big portion of those glossy noodles to a plate. Then arrange the juicy chicken and drizzle some chili oil over the noodles. Now the chili oil that I'm using here is actually homemade by me, and trust me, it is crazy good. So definitely check out that recipe on my channel. Next we are gonna add our julienne carrots, cucumber, and bell peppers for that fresh crunch. Then top it with crushed peanuts, a few slices of freshness chili, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, and finish it off with a lime wedge on the side. And then add just a little more chili oil on top and just dig in. This dish is the perfect balance of creamy coconut, spicy chili oil, savory and super juicy chicken, and fresh crunchy vegetables, all packed into one insanely flavorful bowl. Every bite is silky, spicy, nutty, and unbelievably satisfying. Trust me, this is one of those recipes you try once and instantly get hooked on. If you like this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.